gonna go ahead and grow my hair in about 5 minutes. Fast natural hair growth. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by IDNHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, I want you guys to know the only part of my natural hair that is out is this little piece right here. This right here is me. All the rest of this is the wig, sis. IDN stands for I Define Natural Hair. They really are committed to making sure we understand they do this. They are really committed, child. I love it. So if you want to see how I did some things with this joint right here, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from IDNHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be different because we're going with a lace front natural 4C. I mean, it's tight. Natural 4C, etc. wig. It's a lot going on, but I'm kind of excited about it, y'all. Now, when you get your wig, you will have a tag on your wig. Before you pull the tag off, understand what you're supposed to have, understand the care for the wig, what they suggest before you take that tag off. Once you take the tag off and that lace, it's yours. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tag off so I can put this joint on my head. Okay, I'm committed. All right, so y'all see how my hair is looking, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and grow my hair in about 5 minutes. Fast natural hair growth. I want to see, like, what is the curl texture for this wig? I know you guys are like, does it come in the bush? Yes, it comes in the bush, but it does have a very tight, kinky, curly curl texture. Can you guys see that in there? Let me try to put it against a white card. Hold up. That is the natural curl for the wig. So if you wet this wig down, it should curl up like this, but it's gonna be very tight. I'm pretty sure they blow dried this hair out to give it this look. Before I put this on my head, I am gonna tip my lace. So I'm gonna use my Toffee 330 powder. It's my Maybelline press powder. And I'm just gonna put it in the front of that hairline, like so. And let me just put the elastic band around my nape. I'm just gonna try to slide it down like this. Get over the hump, child. Woo! It was wash day. This is definitely given when you wash your hair and forget to wrap it down at night. I got them 4C problems, but I love it. Look at this, look at this. Look at the stretch. Look at the stretch with the breakage. Natural. So yeah, that one was stretched out, I guess, to show the length of the wig. So 12 inches, you know, you get some length in there if you want to blow dry this hair out and press her out. I am getting a little bit of shedding when I pull on this unit. I do expect that for this wig based on how thick this hair is. If you want to straighten this hair out, be my guest, but I'm not. This is going to be a definite bush. Let me wet this one down right here because I gotta shorten that back up. Look at it. It's already doing it. Y'all see that? It's already kinking back up. Okay. All right, put it back up in there. They did send me some scissors right here. I'm gonna try these joints out. Okay. The cap is pretty big and the lace comes down pretty far on my ears, so I can pretty much cut it wherever I want. I would definitely say this unit is big head friendly based on how it's sitting on my head. I feel like it could be a little bit more pre-plucked. So I'm just gonna bring some hair down right here in the front. I just wanna thin it up a little bit. Okay, I think that's good like that. All right, let's cut the lace in 3. Uh-oh. Make sure you cut at the hairline but in front of the lace. And just bring some of the hairs out. Some of my edges are out, even though the lace was long enough to cover that. I just feel like it lets my hair breathe a lot more when I don't have my edges covered all the way. I'm gonna use Nairobi mousse around my hairline. 2 pumps. Trying to mold this down. Swirly, swirly. I can already tell I'm gonna like how this looks. They sent me a band. I thought I was gonna be overwhelmed, but honestly, y'all, I'm not. I love me a good bush. Okay, now let's go ahead and shape this hair a little bit better than what she looks like. I'm gonna spray the hair with some water. Work that all in. Take my pick this afro. Oh yeah. Pick it to shape it. I need a little bit more water right here. Make sure that's good. It even has the little knotty pieces on the end. Look at that. This middle is real thick. Ooh, my glasses are crooked, sheesh. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick, and then we will come back and style this wig up together. Power to the people. Ooh, it's tight. Oh, wait a minute. It's attached to my hair. Ooh, ow, ow, ow. That's me. Okay. Sheesh. Pull this down in the back. Do I want to spray this down? I mean, I can. Let's see how it's looking. Let's just brush some of the hairs back. Move it down some. I do wish this had kinky edges, because I'm pretty sure they put heat to this and straighten this out, just to show you that the hair can get straight. Push that hair to the back. Somebody give me some Baltimore house music. I want to use some of this parting space, so I need to find where my track at. Like this. Bring this over. Get my wide tooth comb. Man, this is like natural hair. Pretty sure this is 180% density. You will get shedding with this unit, just like you would with your natural hair. I know some of y'all may be like, well, why not just buy a synthetic joint? Because a synthetic wig will not revert back once you straighten it. But this human hair joint, as y'all saw, it will revert back to its natural texture. You can do a lot of things with this unit. That's why you choose a human hair option when you are looking at different wigs. I need some of this one right here. Is that how I want it? Like that? I could probably use some grease in this hair. I really could. Let me just take this lace off right here. Make sure my parting space is straight. I am gonna use my Eben spray right here in the front. I'm not gonna put anything on my sideburns, just right here in this area. I couldn't get that exactly how I wanted it to lay without spraying that down. Perfect. For this right here, I'm gonna use a little bit of heat right here just so I can slick it down the way I want. So warm and high. And I'm gonna put this behind my ear. Before I do that though, I'm gonna put some grease on my hair, okay? I need some shine in my wig, because it's a little dry. So I'm just gonna do what I normally would do when my hair is dry and put some grease on it. Put some grease on it. Brush it smooth, and then pin it like this, right behind my ear. Get a bobby pin and pin it behind my ear. Do two so I can reinforce it. I'm gonna do one right here in the front. Bring some of my hair out right there. Now let me tint my lace a little bit. Excess contour. Pick out the rest of my hair. Bring this forward. All right, so I think that's looking pretty good. Okay, y'all, so the bush is immaculate. All this right here is the wig. This is only me down here. I didn't put no product in the parting space. Let me come closer. Y'all see how that blends? Ooh, yes ma'am. That looks like me, all me. I like this. Now, if you get this wig, just know this is gonna act just like your natural 4C etc. hair. It is very kinky, so you gotta use your products, use your heat, stretch the hair out. If you wanna do like a little ponytail, you're gonna have to go in and stretch that hair out to get the ponytail look that you want. It's not gonna be an easy just pull it back into a ponytail or pull it up into a ponytail and go. You're gonna have to stretch the hair as much as possible to get it to lay down flat around your dome. But I like this. It looks really good in my opinion. Nothing crazy. I want to keep the styling very simple, especially for those of you who don't want to do like, you know, the full out bush, or you want to have something different in your front. This is very easy to do. I know that's not going to be for everybody. Not everybody wants a wig to mimic their natural hair this much. And this does cost a pretty penny. So if you are not into doing the work for yourself, this may not be the one for you. I don't mind it at all. I know when I step outside, I'm gonna get the stares and the compliments for this joint right here. I just know it. I can feel it in my roots. They wanted you to forget this is a wig. You can take it off, sis. You don't gotta struggle like this, but but that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to IDNHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.